Good afternoon, everyone. Dear shareholders, welcome to the 33rd Annual General Meeting of Titan Biotech Limited. My name is Charanjit Singh and I am the Company Secretary of the company. This meeting is being conducted through video conferencing and other audio-visual means in accordance with the circulars and guidelines issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and SEBI. The proceedings of this meeting shall be deemed to be held at the registered office of the company. Today's meeting is being hosted on the WebEx platform to facilitate seamless and interactive participation. Attendance slips and proxy forms were not circulated to the shareholders for this meeting, as it is being conducted through video conferencing or other audio-visual means. In accordance with the provisions of Section 103 of Companies Act 2013, the quorum for the meeting shall be determined based on the participation of members through electronic means. The Register of Contract and Register of Directors shareholding are available for inspection, and interested shareholders may contact the Company Secretary separately for the aforesaid purpose on email ID hrd@titanbiotechltd.com. I would like to take you through certain details relating to your participation at this meeting. The facility of joining this AGM through audio-visual means is being made available for members on first come, first served basis. All members who have joined this meeting are by default placed on mute mode by the host to avoid disturbance arising from the background noise and to ensure smooth and seamless conduct of the meeting. Once we commence the question and answer session, the names of shareholders will be announced one by one who are registered as speakers, right? And they will be allowed to speak one by one. So upon being called, the host will give appropriate access to the concerned shareholder to speak. Before you commence speaking, please be mindful of the following. Use earphones so that the narrative is clearly audible to all participants. Remember to minimize noise in the background. Ensure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection and the same is not connected to any other device. Ensure that there is no other background applications running on the device and you are connected from. Remember to switch on the video and ensure that you have adequate background lighting at your place. If you are able to join through video if you are unable to join through video for any reason, we request you to kindly speak through the audio means. If the speaker shareholder has a connectivity problem, we will call on the next speaker to join. Once the connectivity improves, the speaker shareholder may again be called to speak only after all the other registered speaker shareholders have spoken. So during the course of the AGM, shareholders facing technical difficulties may contact the helpline number provided in the notice of the AGM. A small request to all speaker shareholders, as we have many shareholders who have registered to speak today. Therefore, in the interest of time and in the interest of providing all speaker shareholders a fair opportunity of being heard, we request all speaker shareholders to please be brief and avoid asking questions if it has already been asked by an earlier shareholder. As you're aware, the Companies Act of 2013 and SEBI listing regulations provided for the electronic voting. So accordingly, the company has provided to its members the facility to cast their vote through remote electronic voting system administered by the CDSL. Facility for voting at this meeting is also being made available for those members who have not cast vote through remote electronic voting system and are participating in this meeting. The electronic voting system will be made available after the conclusion of this meeting, announced by the chairman. Members who have already cast their votes through the remote electronic voting before this AGM shall not be allowed to vote again during the AGM or change their casted votes. Messrs. PKG and Associates, practicing company secretary, have been appointed as scrutinizer to scrutinize the remote e-voting process before the AGM as well as during the AGM. Since the AGM is being held through audio-visual means and the resolutions forming part of the notice convening this meeting has already been put to the remote electronic voting system. The practice of proposing and seconding of resolution is not required and will not be followed in this meeting. So before we move forward with the main agenda of this meeting, I would now request our directors, scrutinizers, secretarial auditor, statutory auditor representative present on this video conference meeting to kindly introduce themselves to the members. So I welcome Shri Naresh Kumar Singla, who is the managing director of the company. Sir, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone. I am Naresh Kumar Singla, Managing Director of company, joining next annual general meeting from my office at New Delhi. I am also a member of Stakeholders Relationship Committee and Corporate Social Responsibility Committee. Thank you.
Now I request Mr. Raja Singla to please introduce himself.
Hello everyone, my name is Raja Singla. I am director of the company. I am attending this AGM from New Delhi. I propose Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla should chair this meeting. Thank you.
Okay, now I request Mr. Shivam Singla to please introduce himself.
Please unmute yourself. You are muted.
Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Singla, director of your company, and I'm taking this AGM from New Delhi. I also propose Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla should chair this meeting.
Now I request Mr. Suresh Chand Singla, who is also managing director of the company, to please introduce himself.
I'm Suresh Sigla. I'm the founder director of this Titan Biotech Limited. I'm joining the meeting from Dubai. I'm forwarding to meeting to have the chairmanship under Naresh Singla.
Okay, now I request Ms. Supriya Singla, director of company, to please introduce herself.
Hi everyone, I'm Supriya Singla, director of the company. I would like Mr. Naresh Singla to chair this meeting. Thank you.
Now I request Mr. Udit Singla to please introduce himself.
Hi everyone, I'm Udit Singla, director of the company. I would also request Mr. Naresh Singla to chair this meeting. Thank you.
Now I request Mr. Madan Dharia to please introduce himself. Now I request Mr. Dharia Madan to please introduce himself.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Dharir Madan, independent director of your company. I am attending this AGM from New Delhi. I am also a member of the Stakeholders Relationship Committee. I also propose that Mr. Naresh Kumar Sigla should chair this meeting. Thank you.
Okay, now I request Mr. Abhishek Agarwal to please introduce himself.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Agarwal. I am the independent director of this company. I also nominate Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla to chair this meeting.
Now I request Mr. Brijesh Kumar Singh to please introduce himself.
Hello everyone. I'm Brijesh Kumar Singh, independent director of your company. I'm attending this meeting from Delhi. I also propose Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla to chair this meeting. Thank you.
Now I request Mr. Pankaj Gupta to please introduce himself. Mr. Pankaj
Hello
Gupta,
everyone.
who's PKG and Associates.
Hello everyone. I Pankaj Gupta, practicing company secretary, scrutinizer of this AGM and attending from Delhi.
Now I request the secretarial auditor, Mr. Amit Anand, to introduce himself.
Hi everyone, I am Amit Anand, practicing company secretary and respected member of Institute of Company Secretaries of India, and I am proposed to be appointed as secretarial auditor. Thank you.
Okay, among us, there is representative of ANSK and Associates, who are the statutory auditors of the company. So if they would like to introduce themselves, they can introduce. ANSK and Associates, our statutory auditor.
Hello everyone, I'm Chandan Jha, authorized representative of NSK and Associates. I'm attending this meeting from Delhi. Okay.
Okay, let me summarize all the 15 resolutions placed before today's meeting and put to vote by members. Number one is the adoption of audited financial statements, standalone and consolidated for financial year ended 31st March 2025. Then declaration of dividend on equity shares of company. Reappointment of Mrs. Manju Singla as director liable to retire by rotation. Reappointment of Mr. Raja Singla as director liable to retire by rotation. Reappointment of Mr. Udit Singla as director liable to retire by rotation. Appointment of Mr. Amit Anand as secretary auditor of the company. Authorizations for loans. Then next is ratification of remuneration of cost auditor for 2025-26. Then reappointment of Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla as managing director. Thereafter, reappointment of Mr. Suresh Chandra Singla as managing director. Then mortgage of property of company for borrowing funds and permission under section 181A of Companies Act 2013. Then increase in remuneration of Mr. Shivam Singla, whole-time director of company. Thereafter, increase in remuneration of Mr. Udit Singla, whole-time director of company. Then regularization of the appointment of Mr. Devendra Kumar Sabat as independent director. Then approval of the material related party transactions of the company. So now over to Shri Naresh Kumar Singla, the managing director and appointed chairman of this meeting.
Thank you, Chandji. And I welcome to all directors, auditors, secretary managers, and member of the company. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed shareholders, distinguished guests, and stakeholders. On behalf of the board of directors of the company, I extend a warm welcome to the 33rd annual general meeting of Titan Biotech Limited. It is a privilege to address you on this significant occasion. For over 3 decades, Titan Biotech has remained committed to delivering high-quality biological products, supported by exceptional customer service. Guided by this mission, we continue to build our strengths, creating sustainable value for our shareholders and making meaningful contributions across the sectors we serve. Our broad portfolio spans microbiological and life sciences solutions, including dehydrated and ready-to-use culture media, biological media bases, laboratory chemicals, plant tissue culture media, and nutritional products. These solutions are integral to various industries, including healthcare, biological, agriculture, food safety, and research. In the field of microbiology, we provide a comprehensive range of culture media to support the growth, isolation, and identification of microorganisms, including enriched media such as blood and chocolate agar used for cultivating fastidious bacteria. We have also expanded our presence in health and nutrition. Our protein hydrolysates are designed for improved digestion, muscle recovery, and performance. Collagen supports joint, skin, and bone health. Additionally, our menin oligosaccharides play a valuable role in improving gut health and egg equality in poultry. These advancements reflect Titan Biotech's continuous effort to diversify, innovate, and respond to the evolving needs of our customers. As we move forward, we remain focused on expanding our global footprint, enhancing product development, and contributing to a healthier and more sustainable future. For industry growth, according to India Brand Equity Foundation, India's microbiology and nutraceutical sector is witnessing rapid growth. For Titan Biotech Limited, these advancements present significant opportunities The expanding ecosystem supports our goals to scale R&D, collaborate with emerging biotech ventures, expand product offerings, and strengthen our global presence. Government industry alignment further enhances our ability to innovate and deliver high quality microbiological and diagnostics solutions to a growing market. Financial summary of this year. During the financial year 2024-25, Titan Biotech Limited reported a revenue from operations of rupees 156.45 crores as compared to 164.07 crores in the previous financial year. The total income stood at 160.36 crores, slightly lower than 165.82 crores recorded in financial year 23-24. The profit before tax was rupees 24.37 crores, while the profit after tax amounted to rupees 18.27 crores, reflecting the impact of prevailing market challenges. The total comprehensive income for the year stood at 18.34 crores and the earning per share was rupees 22.11 as compared to 28 rupees 64 in the previous year. While the year witnessed some challenges that impacted profitability, our fundamentals remain strong and we continue to maintain financial resilience. The company remains focused on sustainable growth, innovation, and strengthening its global footprint in the biotech sector. Outlook and future plans. Titan Biotech Limited envisions a future shaped by innovation, global expansion, and customer-centric growth. With increasing demand for microbiological diagnostics and culture media solutions, particularly in sectors such as food safety, pharmaceuticals, and healthcare, we are strategically positioning ourselves to meet evolving industry needs. We also recognize the growing importance of quality control and regulatory compliance, and the emerging trends in microbiology such as precision medicines, synthetic biology, and combating antimicrobial resistance. Looking ahead, our future plans include expanding our global footprint and increasing market share, diversifying our product portfolio to address broader scientific and industrial needs, enhancing our e-commerce presence and digital customer engagements, strengthening our supply chain and improving manufacturing efficiency, developing novel and innovative culture media solutions, establishing Titan Biotech as a global leader in microbiological diagnostics, investing in R&D to drive cutting-edge innovations, enhancing customer support and service to exceed expectations. Microbiological and nutraceutical sector is poised to experience robust growth and greater societal impact in the coming decades. Employee achievements. At Titan Biotech Limited, our employees remain the driving force behind our continued growth and success. Their dedication, professionalism, and pursuit of excellence are deeply valued and form the foundation of our organizational achievements. We are committed to fostering a work environment that encourages recognition, motivation, and employee well-being. Throughout the year, we have undertaken various initiatives to acknowledge and celebrate the contributions of our workforce. From celebrating personal milestones to recognizing long-term service and outstanding performance, we strive to ensure that every team member feels appreciated and supported. Our efforts to reward commitment and excellence are reflected through formal recognitions, opportunities for advancements, and an inclusive workplace culture. These initiatives not only strengthen employees' engagements, but also reinforce our belief that a motivated and respected workforce is essential to sustaining innovation and delivering value to all stakeholders. CSR made by company and its impact on community. Our corporate social responsibility initiative reflect the Titan Biotech Limited's deep commitment to giving back to society and making a meaningful, lasting impact. We focus on a range of areas that contribute to the holistic development of communities and the environment. Recognizing our responsibility towards the environment and all living beings, we have also extended our CSR activities to include animal welfare. This includes support for initiatives that ensure the humane treatment and care of animals, reinforcing our commitment to ethical and compassionate practices. Through these efforts, Titan Biotech Limited continues to uphold its role as a responsible corporate citizen, dedicated to contributing positively to society and the environment. Some challenges which biotech industries face. The biotech sector faces challenges including regulatory compliances, supply chain disruptions, talent retentions, operational efficiency, and technological changes. Titan Biotech addresses these through continuous investment in R&D, strategic partnerships, operational excellences, and risk management. Acknowledgements. We sincerely thank our board members for their guidance and leadership. We are equally grateful to our employees, customers, partners, and stakeholders for their continued trust and the support. Conclusion. As we reflect on the past year, we are proud to our achievements and mindful of challenges ahead. Our commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction remains steadfast. Together, we look forward to a future of continued progress and shared success. The notice of the meeting and the annual report have already been circulated to the shareholders and are taken as read. There are no qualification or adverse remark in the auditor's report on the standalone and consolidated financial statements. Hence, the auditor's report is also taken as read. We now invite the registered shareholders and speakers to share their remarks. I request the host to unmute the speakers one by one and enable their audio and video. Over to the host. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Our first registered speaker shareholder is Mr. Jasmeet Singh. Mr. Jasmeet Singh, please unmute yourself and speak.
Respected Chairman Shri Naresh Singla ji, Independent Board of Directors, KMPs, and fellow shareholders, I am Jasmeet Singh attending this AGM today from Delhi. सिंगला साहब, ये जो ईयर अंडर रिव्यू रहा है जिसके बारे में अभी आपने अपनी आरंभिक जो आपने स्पीच दी है, ये सुन के थोड़ा सा एक ना हमारे को एश्योरेंस मिली है, क्योंकि पिछले साल हमारा रोलर कोस्टर रहा। एज एन इन्वेस्टर हम ये चाहते हैं कि हमारी कंपनी जो है क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर वो बेहतरीन रिजल्ट्स दे, और जो कि हम पहले हमारे आते भी थे। पिछले साल थोड़ा सा रोलर कोस्टर रहा, वो आपने उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताया है, और हम यही एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि आने वाले क्वार्टर्स में इस साल जो हमारा करंट जो फाइनेंशियल ईयर है, पहले क्वार्टर के बेहतरीन रिजल्ट आए कंपैरेटिव टू प्रीवियस क्वार्टर्स। और मेरे को आशा है कि जो आपने टेम्पो जो इसमें बांधा है वो आगे आने वाले क्वार्टर्स में भी वो जो है वो जारी रहेगा। कि आजकल जो है ना हमारा जो शेयर का जो प्राइस है वो बड़ा वॉलेटाइल हुआ पड़ा है। एज एन इन्वेस्टर ये वॉलेटिलिटी जो है ना वो थोड़ा सा ठीक नहीं है किसी भी प्रकार से। तो मैं ये आपसे निवेदन है और हमारी लीडरशिप टीम पर हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि आप जो है ना एक प्रगति जो है वो हमारे को जो मिले। इसके अलावा जो है अभी आप जैसे आपने बताया हमारा मेन जो कोर बिजनेस ऑपरेशंस है वो तो बायोटेक में है। तो कुछ इसके अलावा हमारा कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग को लेके या कोई और वर्टिकल जो हम खड़ा करने के जो हमारे कोई प्रयत्न चल रहे हों तो थोड़ा उसके बारे में आप बताइएगा। बाकी CSR हमारी जो कंपनी की सेवाएं जो हम करते हैं सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के तहत वो उसकी मैं सराहना करता हूँ। मैं आपसे ये मैं गुजारिश करूँगा कि अभी हाल ही में मतलब पिछले कुछ समय में हमारे को जो है ये एक हमारा जो फ्लड की जो प्रॉब्लम आई कुछ उत्तराखंड में और खासकर पंजाब में पहली बार ये मतलब हुआ है ऐसा। तो हमारा जैसे आपने पशुधन के ऊपर आप जो है वो उनके लिए आप जो है अपना स्पेंडिंग करते हैं CSR के अंडर। वहाँ पर जो है ना ये पशुओं का बहुत नुकसान हुआ है। तो अगर आप यही चीज़ जो आप कर रहे हैं इसी चीज़ को आप पंजाब में करें। मेरी ये गुजारिश होगी ताकि जो है ना उनको अब ज़रूरत है कि उनका कोई हाथ पकड़े। और आपके पास फंड्स भी हैं, आपके पास एक बस सोच आपको चाहिए और हो सकता है आप कर भी रहे हो। अगर नहीं कर रहे तो वो करें, यही मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं जो हमारे कंप्लायंस चीफ हैं श्री चरणजीत सिंह जी उनका आभार प्रकट करता हूँ। उनके और उनकी टीम ने मिलकर हमारे को आपसे ये एक और अवसर प्रदान किया कि हम आपसे जुड़ें आज और इंटरेक्ट करें और सीमलेसली हम ये कर पाए हैं। हालांकि मैं CDSL के बारे में मैं चाहूँगा कि ये जो थोड़ा इनके बहुत ना कनेक्टिविटी में बहुत इश्यूज रहते हैं। अभी भी मैंने 3-4 मैंने वो स्क्रीनशॉट्स लिए हैं जहाँ पे मैं अटेंडेंस लगाने के लिए मेरे मेरे मतलब मेरे को किसी और शेयर होल्डर का ABC शेयर होल्डर्स के वो मेरे को प्रीफेस उनका वो खुला। तो ये जो है ना ये हमारे को लिंक इन टाइम या हमारे को केफिन में नहीं नजर आता। और ये अगर ये प्लेटफॉर्म में अगर ये दिखते हैं उनकी IT अगर उनका वो सक्षम नहीं है वी शुड ग्रेजुएट टू दोज बेटर प्लेटफॉर्म्स। ये मेरी गुजारिश है। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ आपका सभी का धन्यवाद। नमस्कार एंड सत श्री अकाल जी।
Thank you, Jasmeet ji. I think second speaker can be invited by the host.
Our next speaker shareholder is Mr. Ajay Kumar Jain. Mr. Ajay Kumar Jain, please unmute yourself and speak. Mr. Ajay Kumar Jain.
नमस्कार चेयरमैन सर, मैं दिल्ली से अजय कुमार जैन कंपनी का शेयर होल्डर बोल रहा था। मेरे से प्रीवियस शेयर होल्डर ने पहले कहा कि प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी, जब हम बिल्कुल लास्ट मोमेंट पे करेंगे तो ये समस्या आ रही थी, लेकिन मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई सर। आपने 1 घंटे पहले ही लॉगिन खोल दिया था, ये एक अच्छी आपकी क्वालिटी रही सर मेरे को जुड़ने में। सर आपने जो चेयरमैन स्पीच दी है हमेशा की बात ही अच्छी चेयरमैन स्पीच दी है और एक आप हमेशा प्रगतिशील वाले हमारे चेयरमैन हैं और जो सोचते हैं। एक छोटा सा प्रश्न आपसे सर, आपकी बार जितनी अच्छी आपने प्रोग्रेस दिखाई है तो कंपनी की तरफ से कोई हम हायर कोई कॉर्पोरेट एक्शन आइदर डिविडेंड हायर का या स्प्लिट या बोनस के रूप में अपेक्षा कर सकते हैं? और सर जो नया GST स्लैब्स आया है या उससे मेरी कंपनी को किसी प्रकार का इम्पैक्ट या बेनिफिट है, ये थोड़ा सा बताया जाए। और सर जितनी सभा में आपने आज प्रस्ताव लगाए हैं उसका मैं अनुमोदना करता हूँ। और सर 2 शब्द व्यक्तिगत मेरे विचार हैं आपके प्रति कि उड़ान भरना है चाहे कितना भी गिरना पड़े, सफलता को छूना है चाहे खुद से कितना भी लड़ना पड़े। ये आपने शुरू से आज तक करके दिखाया है, जहाँ कंपनी कहाँ से कहाँ आपने स्टैंड कर दी है। CS टीम हमेशा की बात ही अच्छा करती है सर, परस्यू करती है और इन्वेस्टर को अच्छी तरह से टैकल करती है। और
Thank you, Mr. Ajay Kumar Jain. So now I would request the host to invite the next speaker.
Our next speaker shareholder is Mr. Charanjit Dang. Mr. Charanjit Dang is not there in list. Can we move to our next speaker shareholder?
We can wait for 30 seconds or 1 minute. Then if like she's unable to connect,
Okay,
then
sir.
we can, yeah, we can wait for some time.
Okay. There is Charanjit Kaur in our list. Can you verify?
I've been given you the mobile number, like you can call and just check.
We have an option to raise their hand, so there is no shareholder who is raising a hand.
Okay,
Or
so we move on to the
have-
next shareholder. You can invite the speaker number 4, next speaker.
Our next speaker shareholder is Mr. Praveen Kumar. Mr. Praveen Kumar, unmute yourself.
I am audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Sure.
A very good afternoon to my respected chairperson for this meeting, esteemed board of director, my fellow shareholders. Myself, Praveen Kumar, joining this meeting from New Delhi. Few observation which I love to share with my entire house. But before that, happy Navratra to the entire management team, each and every dedicated employee for company. Coming down to my observation, sir, excellent address to the shareholder. Very in-depth. Thank you very much for preparing your speech ethically, honestly. It is a learning experience for a retail investor like you. I am with the company for more than a decade, sir, and I have the deepest respect for you. Our company into a respected space, growing at a healthy rate. It is due to persuasion, dedication, devotion by the management. I wholeheartedly support all the resolution which you set out for the notice today. My question to the management is, nowadays, sir, if you see, there are lots of buzz about AI tool, and there's a company from China called DeepSeek who truly disrupted the market for their asset-light model. So please enlighten on this aspect of it. What kind of, if you see the roadmap of next 2 to 3 years, what kind of percentage we are using it in our operation to ramp up our operation, revenue and profitability, so on and so forth. As per as the communication between the retail investor and the company, the litmus test of any listed entity. In this regard, I love to thank our respected CS, Mr. Singh, and his entire team. Naveen ji, I mean, you have fantabulous team. They are the biggest asset. Even during the course of year, if you have any update about the company functioning, mark my words, sir, it will be promptly reply. That truly boosts our morale as per as our investment in the company is concerned. With this note, I wish you all the luck and all the best for the future, sir. Thank you this opportunity. Jai Hind, sir. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Mr. Praveen Kumar. Now I would request the host to connect the next speaker.
Our next speaker shareholder is Mr. Tapas Kumar Datta. Mr. Tapas Kumar Datta is not there in the list.
Okay, I saw just Mr. Ranjit Kaur Dang is there.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
I think
sir.
you can connect her.
Mr. Charanjit Kaur, Mrs. Charanjit Kaur, please unmute yourself and speak. Please unmute yourself. Mrs. Charanjit Kaur, check your device and unmute. I sent a request to you.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Please speak. Hello. You are not audible to us.
Hello,
Hello.
am I,
Yes,
am I
ma'am.
audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Yeah.
I think there is some connectivity issue. She is not audible to us. Please check your network, ma'am. Sir, we have to wait or move for.
We can announce the one Mr. Tapas Kumar Datta was there. So you can announce that name if he's, I don't think, actually, I couldn't see his name here. He's not
Yes,
connected
sir.
as well.
Yes, sir. He is
So
not in our list.
we can wait for a minute, like if she's able to resolve the issue.
Hello.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are
ma'am.
audible.
Yeah, okay.
You can speak.
Sir, I think she has an issue with her connectivity.
Okay.
You can move forward.
Okay, sir. Over to Chairman, sir, to proceed further.
Thank you, everybody. I listen all the queries. Since there is no other registered speaker left, since we move further, we have noted all the suggestions and the concerns of the shareholders, and will take the same into consideration in future. Now I'll answer all the questions received from the shareholders. We have received several questions from the shareholders, and I would like to answer them all now. The company is exporting its goods to over 90 countries. As of now, we don't have any overseas office, and however,
Sir, you are muted. Please unmute yourself. Check your
hello,
mic. Yes, sir.
getting voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
Yeah, we have received several questions from the shareholders, and I would like to answer them now. Your company is exporting its goods to over 90 countries. As of now, we don't have any overseas office. However, we may open office in future. We are getting very good orders in exports as we have been participating in various international exhibitions, and we also have a well-promoted website, so we get a lot of inquiries from the overseas customers. We focus on quality products, so our exports is increasing at a very good pace. We have developed good relations with the customers internationally and nationally, and our existing customers give referral to the other customers also, as they are very much satisfied with the product quality and our after-sales export services. The US President had imposed heavy tariffs, but we are not affected by the same. However, during last year, our business was marginally affected due to overall international turmoil and situations. However, we have strongly come out of the same, and situation has improved and is likely to improve in terms of business and numbers. We hope to sustain the growth in current year this year. We also started operations in our new plant at E539, Chopanki, Bhiwadi, Rajasthan, which will add to its performance in future. We are making all possible efforts to improve sales and profitability, and it should reflect in numbers in the coming years. Presently, company is performing well, and in this quarter also, we will have better results. We thank you to the shareholders for participating in the annual general meeting of the company. Further, the shareholders who have not cast their vote may cast the same 15 minutes after the meeting time. Finally, I would like to thank all the board members, representative of auditors, registrar and share transfer agents, and shareholders for attending the AGM. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
It is indeed my honor and privilege to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks on behalf of Titan Biotech Limited at the conclusion of our annual general meeting. First and foremost, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our chairman, sir, for graciously taking time from his busy schedule to address the shareholders and provide valuable insights into the company's performance, strategies, and future outlook. I would also like to thank our respected board members, all the independent directors, the statutory auditor, the secretarial auditor, the scrutinizer, and most importantly, our shareholders for their esteemed presence and active participation in today's meeting. Your continued trust and engagement are the cornerstones of our growth and success. A special word of appreciation goes to the host and technical support team for ensuring the smooth and seamless conduct of this virtual AGM. Your effort behind the scenes made this event efficient and successful. Before I conclude, I would like to inform everyone that the consolidated results of the remote e-voting and e-voting conducted during the AGM will be submitted to BSE Limited, where the company's shares are listed, and will also be made available on the company's official website within 48 hours of the conclusion of this meeting. Once again, thank you all for your presence, support, and cooperation. Stay safe and take care. Thank you very much.